and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I thought I would film an Ikea haul. I feel like I've never done one before. So it was bank holiday weekend, literally like yesterday and the weekend. So I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Let me know in the comments down below what you got up to. Me and Bradley went to see my side of the family in Kent, and that's where I used to live. So we were there for my cousin and his girlfriend's moving in party, which was so much fun. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen all of my stories. But yeah, we had so much fun and maybe had a little bit too much Prosecco, but that's fine. And on our way home yesterday, they live right near like the lakeside Ikea, and we were like, oh, actually, Bradley needs to get some drawers for upstairs. So if we get them, I can also film a haul as well. So that's what we've done. I tried to get as much new in bits that I've sort of never really seen before, just so I can sort of give you a rough idea of what is in stock at the moment in Ikea. Obviously they sell so much stuff, so I try to get things that I need as well as things that I think you guys will like as well. So if you want to see my new in Ikea haul, then please keep watching. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing is the biggest thing, so I'm just gonna get it out of the way because it's massive. I got an iron because, you know, adult life and all that. This is actually a really good iron board. When we went to my cousin's over on the weekend, they had this and I think it was £19, and it's actually really good. Like, the quality of it is really good, really sturdy. So yeah, I've got it, and I like the print of the actual iron board. I always feel like they're really ugly normally, so got that. It's quite big, not gonna lie. And then I also ordered a steam iron on Amazon yesterday. Also the same as theirs. So Ellis and Elijah, if you're watching, you're just our inspo. So yeah, got that, which I'm going to put down now. We also got one of these. I love how they have these like floating around the glass area, because it's a really good idea if you want to get mix and match glasses or just a set. So yeah, that's what we done. We got 2 of these huge wine glasses. Now, I don't know what these are called. I'm not sure, but they're just like the massive wine glasses. I actually ordered some of these online a while ago, like in the old flat. And ever since the move, I think 2 or 3 of them smashed because they're so thin. But drinks taste so good out of them. Like, sometimes I'll even put apple juice with like loads of ice into it because it just tastes so good. So yeah, I got them. So I got 2 of those. I also picked up 2 of these. Now, I really like these. They're like mugs but glass, and I think these will look really lovely. I kind of wish I got more now, just because, I don't know, I feel like I got 2 just to be safe, but now I'm regretting it, and I feel like I should have got like 6 or something. But it's fine, because it always means that we can go back to Ikea, so not a problem. But yeah, I really like these. I can have my morning coffee in these, and I just like how it's clear. Like, I've got like cappuccino glasses or latte glasses, and I got them from Amazon, but they're just not as nice. Like, I love these. Like, they're like a little bowl, and it's also good for like hot chocolates and stuff like that. So yeah, we got 2 of them. Oh god, now 3, not 4. And then I also picked up this vase. How stunning is this? Okay, let me show you. I feel like I've seen these sort of vases all over Pinterest before. I love the sort of, what's it called, like ragged texture, like zigzaggy. I don't really know how to explain it, and it's not really like my interior sort of style, but I feel like because it's autumn, I'm really getting into pampas grass and stuff like that. So fancy that, it's in my hand. So I got this vase. I might have to cut the stems down a little bit. Oh god, hold on a sec, I'm just trying to fit it all in. Ah! It's like pasta. I'm gonna have to like swirl it. But anyway, this is like my idea that I envisioned. I want to buy more of this white pampas grass just to fill it up a little bit more. And I do need to arrange it like properly, but you sort of get the rough idea of what I want it to look like. And I want this to go at the bottom of the stairs. If you've seen my vlogs before, you'll know at the bottom of the stairs I've got this like triangle table. And it just looks quite nice. It's like out of the way, but it's good for storage and stuff as well. So I just want this to fit on it because I really like it. And yeah, I just feel like it looks really cute, and I really like the vase as well as that. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know in the let me know in the comments. I also picked up 2 of these bags. These are called Dimper bags, and they're literally huge. Like, They are gigantic and they go massive. And the reason I got these is because I got 2, and it's to put mine and Bradley's summer clothes in them that will pop into the garage, and then we can sort of change over our summer stuff to the winter ones, which makes me so happy. So yeah, I got 2 of these, but one of them is actually being used for the bag. So yeah, but I just thought these are really handy. They're really sturdy. They literally last years. And I think they're £3 each or something, which is so good. I also picked up these vases. I always feel like I need vases. Like every time someone gets me flowers, or if I get fake flowers, I'm like, oh, I just want a clear vase or something. I feel like I never have enough. So I just picked these up, and they're so cheap, and it comes in a packet of 3. So you can see the sort of different sizes as well. And these are just really handy to have in the cupboard, just so you've always got vases. Bradley was adamant that we got this, so it's actually really cute. It's little flowers and it's an ice cube tray, which I think is really sweet. I've seen loads of people put like yogurt and stuff like that in them, which is cute, so you can have little ice pops. I feel like these are quite small though, but I love the idea of getting an ice, like filling up with water and then putting like a raspberry or a blueberry in it, and it's like a nice little fruit in ice cubes. I always see that on Pinterest, or like the edible flowers. I'd love to try that. So yeah, I feel like these are really handy just to have. Not much to say about ice cube trays, but you know. Bradley also got these. These are really good. They're like compartment storage things that go into your drawers like this. You can put like your underwear in one, your socks in one, and just have everything like completely organised. Sorry, my strap keeps falling down. Bradley got the Malm drawers. He got the six of them, the 6 drawer ones. So there's like 3 on each side, and they're quite wide. And I think we're going to put that at the end of our bed, so he'll have more storage, and all of that will be his. So yeah, we thought we could put these up as well, and just make everything all nice and organised for him. I also got these because I love the idea of making healthy ice lollies. I think now it's got a bit cooler, not so much, but I went through an obsession with like ice lollies, and I loved making my own. But I always found, look, I bought the ones that have the stick. They just melted and it went everywhere. So I feel like these ones are a lot easier. And these are good for kids as well, if you want them to have like healthy ice lollies after dinner or something. So yeah, I picked these up, and I really like the colours as well. And then well actually not me, Bradley also got this. It is a toolbox, so it's got all the screws and wall plugs and stuff that we need, even though I just bought some from Amazon, so thanks a lot, Bradley. But these are always handy just to like keep, and I really like the box that it comes in because it makes everything all organised for you. This is like a full-on adult life purchase, but you know, it's handy to have, okay? It's handy. I also got 2 of the Ikea gravies. Honestly, these are so good. I did also get meatballs, but I forgot they were in the bag, and I left them in there overnight, so I don't think they're edible to eat anymore. So I'm not sure if we can have them, because I completely forgot about them and left them in the bag overnight. So I woke up this morning and I was like, oh my god, no, what have I done? So very upset about that. But I suppose I could just buy meatballs and then have this gravy as well, because this is so good. Oh my god, so good. So that's everything in this bag. As you can see, it's literally huge. And then in this bag, oh my god, so heavy. So I picked up some tissues. These are 100. Oh my god, I literally was like, wow. You can get ones that are like 50, I think, but why not? Let's just get the big ones. And then to go with that, I got this. Now I'm really into like the wooden woven sort of thing at the moment. In our kitchen downstairs, I've got baskets which are like this, and I really like them. So I thought it sort of goes with the theme in the kitchen at the moment. So I'll literally just pop the tissues in like that, and I'll pop it like on top of the microwave or something, and it just looks quite nice, and it sort of goes with the same theme. So yeah, I thought these are really cute. I can't remember the prices for everything, so if I can, I'll link it all down below for you guys, or if not, then go into store and you know exactly like the sort of style thing that I'm telling you about, if that makes any sense. I also picked up these. These are heat mats, and there's 3 in a packet, and I thought this is such a good idea. every time you're cooking, and sometimes you have no room to put like a hot stove and you're like, oh my god, where do I put it? I don't want to ruin the worktops, I don't want it to melt anything, like what do I do? But these will then come in handy because you just pop these on your kitchen side and then you can literally put like your hot pan or whatever over the top of it and it will just protect it from your worktop. So I thought this was a really, really, really good purchase. And I feel like this will come in very handy. It's the sort of thing that you don't think to buy and then you see it and then you're like, oh my god, I could so use that all the time. So yeah, this will come in very handy for when we are cooking. Can we just take a moment? Can we just take a moment? I feel like this is gonna go in my bathroom. So I picked up this plant. It's called Fedka. I don't know. It's like as soon as you walk in, I saw it. So I got this and then look how lovely this sort of plant pot is. How beautiful is that? I love how the inside's a little bit more nudie to the outside. So yeah, I can't remember the prices. I feel like this plant was £7 and I can't remember the pot. Hello. It's obviously fake, so you can sort of make it look thicker or longer or however like you want it to look. So I think this is gonna go in our bathroom. I feel like this is like a bathroom plant. Do you know what I mean? I kind of regret only getting one. I feel like I should have got more, but again, I just need to have another trip there, then I can get it for another bathroom as well. I always forget I have 3 bathrooms now because I'm like, oh, that'll look nice in the bathroom. And then I come home and I'm like, oh, what bathroom? Because we've got 3. So yeah, I feel like I should have got more, but it's still really cute. I picked up 2 of these. How cute are they? I think these were literally £1 unless I was looking at the wrong item. But I think these are just so lovely. We're gonna pop these in the fridge. We're gonna make sure there's always like fresh water in them, and then because they'll be in the fridge, they'll be really cold and it will just taste so good. So yeah, we thought we'd get 2 of them, and these are just like handy to have, especially when people come around and they want a drink or something. So yeah, I think these will look really lovely in the fridge, and I feel like the corkscrew also goes with the style in the kitchen as well. So yeah, I really like them. I also picked up this candle. I think the scent is cherry. Oh no, like cranberry, I think. Oh, that smells so good. That smells really fresh. I think I'm gonna put it in the bathroom with the plant. Okay, so my camera just overheated and didn't want to be on at the moment. But I was saying, I think I'm gonna put this candle in the bathroom with the plant. I feel like that looked quite cute together. Oh, and it smells so good. I really love that about like Ikea products, is I feel like the quality of them is really good as well. Like honestly, you literally open this and you get like a whiff of the candle. It smells so good. So I'm excited to light this, and I really liked the pot as well. Like, can you see up close? Like the detailing, it looks really cute. I also picked up this basket. Now, how cute is this? Again, I feel like it's gonna go in a bathroom. I don't know what bathroom yet, but I just love it. I just think it's so cute. I love the handle. I think this was £10. They had it in so many different colors, like grey and I think pink and stuff like that, but I just wanted to get the simple white with the wooden handle. I really like it. If you have any ideas on what you use baskets like this for, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'd love to grab all of your ideas. I'm thinking toilet roll at the moment, but I've got a toilet roll holder, so I'm thinking like, what else do you put in these? So let me know in the comments what you put in yours, and then I will definitely steal some of your ideas, because I couldn't not get this basket. And then Bradley was like, what are you going to use it for? And I was like, I don't know. So I need to find something to use it for. But yeah, I really liked it, and I thought it's really good and sturdy as well. I also picked up these tea lights. I know they have like a massive packet of tea lights for like £3. I think there's like 100 in them, but these are very autumn tea lights. So they're rose gold and they really smell of like wintry autumn, and I really like them. I think these were like £1 as well. So yeah, I really like them, and I think these are going to go really nicely in my wax melts as well. I also picked up this tray. Now I know that gold isn't really like my theme when it comes to my house. It's very much like grey, white, silver, that sort of vibe. But I saw this and I don't know what it is. I walked past it and I was just like, why do I want this so badly? Like, I just couldn't help myself, and I really wanted it. And it's like all the energy in me was like gravitating towards it, and I just picked it up. But I feel like this would look really cute for flat lays for autumn because it's quite gold and I feel like it's warm. It sort of goes with the autumn theme. So I think I'm going to do some flat lays with this for like thumbnails and stuff like that. I feel like it would look really cute. But it's a tray to eat your food in, so how posh is that? And I think it was only £4 this, from what I remember. Or I don't know if it's the tray next to it, I can't remember. I feel like sometimes all the labels are sort of muddled up a little bit. But yeah, I remember it being around that price. So yeah, I just thought it's really cute. I really liked it. I picked up this bowl and a lid. I feel like, again, we should have got more, but I feel like it wasn't busy, but it was sort of like, oh, I'll just get one of this, I'll get one of this, I'll get one of this. And then it was like, oh, actually, I should have got like 2 of that. But we didn't really think, because I was getting it because I wanted to film a haul, I forgot about the practicality of things. And then I left and I was like, oh, I really wish I got more of like some items. But anyway, it is a bowl and you buy them separately, and it's just a food container, so you can just pop any leftover foods in, and it's like a really good quality as well, like this. And then the good thing about it is you can also eat with this bowl as well. I feel like sometimes with like storage containers is you're using more washing up and stuff because you're putting it from that bowl to another, whereas this you could happily eat from that. And yeah, it's quite cute, so I picked up one of them. And then the last couple of bits, I also picked up this. This is it's called a mixture. It's basically got 3 dishes here and then a long one at the bottom. So I feel like you could put crisps in here and then dips in there or something like that. Do you know what I mean? Or like nuts in one of them, and it's just good for when people come round. I've literally been looking for something like this. So I feel like it's perfect for that sort of thing. So yeah, I picked up one of those. And then the last thing I picked up, I feel like everyone can guess. Dimes. I feel like you can't go to Ikea without getting these. Like, I just feel like you can't. So yeah, I had to pick up these because these are just so good. It's like little dime bars and they just taste nicer than the actual dime bar. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, I had to pick up these because it's just a rule. It's an unwritten rule when you go to Ikea. Do you know what I mean? Like, you have to get these at the end. So picked up them. We actually picked up 2 packets and we've started eating the first packet downstairs yesterday, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, my lovelies, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what your favourite item was throughout the whole haul. I love all of it. I especially love this. I feel like the plant pot is just so cute. But then, I don't know, I just love everything in their own little ways. So yeah, I'm so happy about it. So happy to finally be filming an Ikea haul for my channel. Please, 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 please let me know in the comments down below any other video requests you guys have, because I would love to hear them and I always write your ideas down. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below any videos you want me to film and I will definitely film them for you. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Please do give it a thumbs up as it helps me out so much. Share this video to your friends and your family. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video on Thursday.